Ethereum staking ROI, a real-world analysis 2 years after the merge. The shift to proof of stake was a monumental event for Ethereum.
2 years on, we've moved beyond theoretical yields to a mature, multifaceted staking economy. Our data-driven 2025 analysis provides a comprehensive breakdown of real-world staking ROI. We explore
The three core components of yield: base rewards, priority fees, tips, and MEV, a step-by-step ROI calculation based on current network conditions. Advanced strategies like liquid staking with Lido and Rocket Pool, a clear-eyed look at the risks, slashing, smart contract bugs, and centralization.
This is an essential read for any investor, developer, or institution participating in the Ethereum ecosystem.
Next Techie, exploring the edge of innovation.